Hi guys! This is Egi the Guy from London. Our vlog is what to see in Agadir, Morocco. Morocco is a country in the Maghreb region of North Africa. It overlooks the Mediterranean Sea to the north and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Our destination is Agadir, Morocco, which is more than 3 hours by plane from London. Our first destination is the Kashbash of Agadir Ofla, a majestic site in Agadir and could be the most popular site in Agadir. Built in 1572 by the Moroccan king Moulay Abdallah El Ghalib. This fortified city was intended to protect the inhabitants against possible invasions from European countries such as Portugal. Kashbash of Agadir has unique panoramic view of the bay, the city. Enjoy the majestic videos!